Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a flatbed truck. Let's start off by drawing a tall, thin rectangle with an open bottom. Then, draw a really long, thicker rectangle under it that's open on the left. And extend the lines past a tiny bit. Next, we can draw the cab that the driver sits in. A tall vertical line here, a line at the top going to the left, that rounds down to the left and turns straight down. At the bottom, draw a small rounded rectangle for the front bumper. And from there, a short line to the right that turns up at an angle, flattens out up here, and rounds back down to here. Then, give that line some thickness with a short line here, copying the line above, and a short line here to close out the shape. Under that, draw a big circle with two smaller circles inside it for the front wheel. From the right, draw a long horizontal line going to the right, a rectangle here for the cabinet, then continue the horizontal line on the other side with a long arch shape here that flattens out here before turning up to the bed. Inside that long arch, add two more wheels. In the cab, draw a similar shape but slightly smaller to make a door. Then, inside the door, draw a rounded rectangle on top for a window, followed by a small oval underneath it for a handle. In the rectangle under the bed, draw a smaller rectangle with a horizontal line for the cabinet door. And don't forget to draw the load. I'm going to draw a big crate here with a big rectangle shape, some trapezoids along the edges for the frame, and some thin horizontal lines across it for the planks of wood. Let's draw another bigger crate behind that one. A big rectangle, some trapezoids for the frame, and horizontal lines for the planks. Behind those, let's draw some wood planks with a big rectangle and some horizontal lines across it. Then do that one more time but smaller, on top for some shorter planks. Lastly, draw some thick lines coming down from the tops of the planks and crates for the straps that hold them down. And now you've got a flatbed truck. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.